Things must have been tough inside these four walls. That thoughtful mind of yours hadn't have been productive lately. Nights might have been lonelier than it used to be. That never-ending race of yours might have lost its way lately. It's hard to make you understand when you cherish all colors, but forget all of them will end up brown. You are mentally locked down, living indoor and complaining about it. There's no Lord who can change this besides you. Love the rain, but don't live with it. Feel the pain, don't stick with it. We all are losers, at least we have been maybe for once, but don't punish yourself this hard. Yes, you can't expect the sunshine. At least have a hope that this rain will stop.